In this lesson, I will show you how you show the contents of the folder through CMD. So let's start. So first I will open the command prompt. Then I will create a folder on the desktop. I'll name it test. Then I'll go and make another folder inside the folder test. Then I'll make another folder and hide this folder. So I go to its properties and hide it. So now I go to the command prompt, and now I will change the directory of film teaching folder to desktop directory. You type command cd. Then we'll change the folder of the desktop to the folder of test. You type cd test. Now we type the command that shows as the contents of the folder. To show the contents of the folder, we type the command dir. So I type dir, then we press enter. It will show us the contents of the test folder. So as you see here, it showed as folder 1. But we had another folder here. It was a folder 2. Then we hide it. So to show that folder, we type the same command dir, then space, then followed by /a. So as you see here, it showed at the both folders, folder 1 and the folder 2. And also, if you want only to show the hidden folders, we type the same command dir space, then followed by /a. And if you want to show only the hidden folders, then we type h and we press enter. It will only shows as the hidden contents of the folder. So you press enter. So as you see, it showed as only the hidden content of the folder. It was the folder 2 that we hid it. So this is a way to show the content of the folder through the command dir in the command prompt.